workout. I feel like my vlogmases are at the point where it's like, okay, you guys already know what's up. You already know we're gonna get in a workout today. I was just finishing up some edits. I submitted a video for a brand while I'm waiting for it to upload, and my Wi-Fi is so slow, so it takes about 2 hours. So while I'm waiting for that to go up, I'm gonna go to the gym. Today is definitely a pre-workout day, but again, let's be real, pre-workout, something I take every time before I do a workout. It's funny because a lot of you guys tend to ask me, do you take pre-workout every time you go to the gym? And the answer is yes. I feel like even if I am motivated, it gives me that little boost, a pep in my step to actually put in my full potential. So I feel like I'm not wasting any time during my workout. So I'm gonna take my pre-workout right now, and it is 9:46 a.m. We've been so productive editing and stuff early on today. And at some point I need to book a flight home. I have yet to do that, and I am waiting so long. Oh my god, Christmas is in like soon and I need to get my flight, so I'll do that when I get back from my workout. So cheers. My water for the gym. Now for me, when I'm working out, I drink all of this. Sometimes I'll go and fill it up in the gym as well. This is 32 ounces of water. I've been sipping on water earlier on today, and I kind of wanted this vlog to be themed around staying healthy during the holidays, because it can be so tricky, you guys, not to mention all of the food, all of the carbs overload, but that's another story for another vlog. I don't really love holiday food, but that's just because I'm dairy free, and I don't want to be that annoying person at the dinner table that's like, does this have dairy in it? You guys know how I feel. It's been like, what, my fourth holiday now, fourth year being dairy free, and I just don't need to be eating stuff just for the sake of it. But today I just wanted to get in a good workout. I'm hoping there's not going to be a ton of people there, so I can actually show you guys what we're going to do today. I didn't come up with a plan yet, so hopefully by the time my pre-workout kicks in, I'll have some sort of an idea of what I want to hit in the gym. But I'm thinking a full body day would be really blessed. I'm kind of in the mood for that, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna take you guys to the gym with me, and then I'm gonna share some food and stuff that I'm gonna have throughout the day, and just like healthy habits in general that help me, you know, maintain weight and or lose weight. So stay tuned, stick around, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in literally 2.5 seconds. I know this is weird, but I do eat salt. This is pink Himalayan salt. If I feel nauseous because I don't eat breakfast, I tend to do fasted workouts because I can't work out and move and jump around with a full belly. Salt really helps. It's a natural mineral. So if you get nauseous, taking supplements on an empty stomach, eat a little pink salt. That's what I do. So yeah. Also, electrolytes. We love that. Alright, I need to get my playlist going. Recently I've been listening to my SoundCloud, so I'll link my SoundCloud down below actually. I have a lot of mixes on there, which I've mentioned before. They're about an hour long, so you don't have to be distracted in the gym fussing around trying to find the right groove and song, you know, so that's why I like these. And I always would recommend having your gym bag out and available. I keep mine right here because every time I walk by it, I'm like, did I go to the gym today? So I like having a little mini backpack like this, and I just keep some of my essentials like my headphones, and I have booty bands in here as well, which I will most likely use today. I just have 2 of the highest levels. You never know if you want to do some jump rope. So I'm going to throw that in here. Hopefully the studio room is empty. It's kind of an odd time. So yes, I do want to mention that you do not need to wait until the new year to start working on your hashtag body goals or your fitness and or weight loss journey. Why are you going to wait until after the holiday? Just start now and start implementing those daily tweaks into your routine, like drinking more water every day, trying to eat more greens like me every single day, cutting out all of the added sugars and all the processed foods, or even if you are addicted to drinking soda, maybe try to work on that habit instead of just waiting to the first, because what's the point? Like, I feel like now is the best time to start. If you want to join a gym, join a gym. If you have an apartment gym that you never use, go down to your apartment gym and start working out in there. So I think now is the perfect time to start working on your body goals, even just writing out the goals that you have and getting a head start on it. And for me, you guys, it's been a year. Last year, January 1st, 2019 was the day that I like switched my entire mentality when it came to working out, and it was the most transformative year for me when it came to how I feel, how I look at my body, and self-confidence. Like, I used to hate wearing a bikini until this year. I got my confidence for sure, and you know, I'm seeing abs and I'm really putting in the work. I enjoy going to the gym now, and it's something that I do pretty often and frequently. So 2019 was the best self-love year for me, and I am just looking forward to 2020 and starting and setting those new goals. So let's go get in a good workout. You know you're not supposed to be laying on my sheets now, but you're so cute. I'm just gonna let you do you. But I'm gonna grab my Apple Watch. This is something that I cannot work out without, simply because it tracks my heart rate, calories burned, you know, active versus resting, and I'm able to kind of use it to track certain workouts like Stairmaster compared to hiking and etc. So definitely get you a little Apple Watch for the holidays. It'd be the perfect thing to ask for. It's not too expensive, and I just have this little pink band on mine. Abs are popping. Definitely can't wait to hit those. My stomach is really flat, not gonna lie. God bless not being bloated for once in my life. So we're gonna do abs today, and specifically lower abs. That is my problemed area. the gym to myself so I could show you guys my workout. Second of all, this place is a hot mess. Third of all, I'm about 45 minutes into my workout and I am sweaty mess. Killing it. Alright dolls, I am back from the gym. I'm so happy I was able to film the majority of my workout, so God bless having empty studio space to do that. But I've got little Lee here and he's my little present for Vlogmas. Say hey Vlogmas, I got my ho 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 pajamas. We're gonna go for our little walk, but I do want to just end this little session with how long I was in the gym, and my workout today was 88 minutes. Oof, I refuse. Frontier Airlines is the worst. Booking my flight, going home for Christmas.